Hi everyone, Ken Brown from CCIM here, and welcome to our video on how to access Fontiva in your chapter membership and education reports. To start, Fontiva, also known as My Account to CCIM Institute's members, is our association management software. This system houses all of our member and prospect related data. To get started, there are two ways to access Fontiva for your chapter reports. The first way is to go onto the Chapter Resources page and click the Reports tab. Next, you'll click Chapter Reports. On this page, you can click the Access Reports portal button, which will take you directly to the login for your reports. The second option is to navigate directly to Fontiva by bookmarking this login page. Once you're logged into Fontiva, you can click on the Reports menu item to access your chapter's membership and course reports. You'll also notice that there's a Chapter Directories menu item that provides a fast way for you to access your chapter directory. Let's go ahead and look at our chapter reports. This screen is an overview for all reports that you have available to you. It automatically defaults to any recent reports that you viewed, but you can see all reports that you have available to you by clicking on All Reports or All Folders on the left side of the screen, then selecting the folder that CCIM has created for your chapter. Once you've found the report you want to run, click on the report's name. The following page will include the report details, like the member's email, phone, and address-related information that they've provided into Fontiva. In order to get the report into an Excel file, click the down arrow in the top right-hand corner next to Edit, then hit Export. You'll then select which way you want to export it. We highly suggest you download the Details-Only export type in the Excel format. This will allow you to easily sort and filter the data in the report. The other option is to download the Formatted Report export type. This report type opens in the format as seen in Fontiva, but is not easy to sort and view the data. Let's go ahead and switch back to Details Only so we can export the file and open it in Microsoft Excel. When downloading your chapter report from CCIM or any Excel file from the internet, you'll need to hit Enable Editing at the top of the screen so you're able to use filters and make edits to the file. To help clarify what some of the columns mean, Home Chapter. This is the file in the CCIM database that identifies a member's proposed home chapter that's based on the home address's zip code. Item and item name. This is the type of membership tied to the member. A person might have a few different lines with different item names, as they may have both a national and a chapter membership. Is active. This is the field that designates if that membership line is active or not. 0 is inactive, while 1 is active. Term paid date. The day that the member paid for that membership for that period of time. Term start and end date. As we're able to report on multiple years, the term start and end date designate what time frame the membership is active. And last but not least, the Contact Legacy ID. This is a back-end unique identifier that CCIM uses in our system. Let's go ahead and hit Enable Editing at the top so we can start adding filters to this file. Now let's say you wanted to only see active chapter members for the year. Under Item Name, you would filter it so that the only checkbox being checked are the chapter names. To quickly do this, you can deselect Select All and then click the chapter checkboxes. Once you're done, hit OK. Next, you would scroll to the right, and in the Term End Date column, you would deselect the options that are not 2021. Once you're done, click OK. Now you can only see members who have paid for a chapter membership for the current year. Now let's say you wanted to see the active national members for the year. Under Item Name, you would uncheck all of the chapter memberships, leaving the others active. Once you're done, click OK. Next, you'll scroll back over to the right, and in Term End Date, you'll deselect the options that are not 2021, so only that year is showing, and hit OK. Now,
You can only see members who have paid for a national membership in the current year.
Thanks for stopping by and checking out our How to Run Reports video. If you still have any questions about accessing your chapter reports or the data, please reach out to Lachey Sitnor for data and membership questions or Ken Brown for technology and Fontiva questions.